everyone, I am Manshi Gorasiya. I am from Applied Statistics, Sardar Patel University. Today I am presenting my final year project on time series and econometrics analysis of India's industrial production. The first is the motivation. The Index of Industrial Production (IIP) is one of the most important indicators of economic activity in India. It reflects industrial growth across the manufacturing, mining, and electricity, and it is often used as a leading signal for the GDP and policy decisions. However, most existing studies focus only on one aspect, either a sector trend, demand structure, or a production input. My project to solve to building a unified analytical framework. The research objective is the first is the sectoral analysis and forecasting using the Sarima model. The second is the use-based analysis to understand the demand structure. The third one is the structure-based analysis, especially around the COVID-19. And the fourth one is the production function estimation using the ASI data. So basically, I answer what is happening, why it is happening, and how it is happening. So then next is the data and methodology. The study used the monthly IIP data from 2012 to 2025 and the annual ASI data from the 2012 to 2022. Methodology follow a proper time series pipeline. First is the data collection, then log transformation to stabilizing the various, then model identification using the SCF and a PACF plot, then Sarima modeling with diagnosis like the junk box, Charcubera, and for the model accuracy using the RSME, MAPE, and MAE. Additionally, I apply Biperoni and Zywood and root test to structure break and log OLS regression for the production analysis. So coming to the our first sectoral analysis, the manufacturing is the dominant driver of IIP. Electricity shows stable growth. Mining is the highly volatile sector. In a second, it is a use-based analysis. A very important insight coming out. Investment sector like a capital goods are highly volatile, and other hand, consumption sector like a non-durables are the stable. This leads to a key economical conclusion. Like India's industrial production follow a dual demand structure, volatile structure plus stable consumption. Then I do the structure break analysis using the Biperoni and Drywood and root test. So a clear structure break is identified in April 2020. This corresponding to the COVID-19 lockdown. But the important point is the recovery trend. So it is a temporary shock, not a permanent structure change. Then I do the economical model in ASI production function model. Uh, I estimate a log linear regression, material input elasticity 0.74%, capital elasticity is 0.12, and for the fuel it is a 0.10 with the R square 0.94, indicating a very strong fit. This clearly shows that industrial production in India it is a input driven mainly by the material supply. So final conclusion is the so overall the study conclude industrial growth is increased by the cyclic increase, but it is a cyclic. It is a driven by the investment demand, stabilized by the consumption demand, and power by the material input. And also, uh, in a COVID-19, it is a just a temporary shock, not a permanent structure change. Thank you for watching.